So what is a thrust monkey? It's an electronic throttle controller. They plug onto the back of your pedal. We do this in all the modern four-wheel drives these days because they're all computers and digital. They've got program lag. We're going to get rid of those lag with 3 new programs: off-road, towing, and sports mode. We're going to have a look at these programs today and explain what it can do for you. The chart explains this best. A standard factory setup is well known for its accelerator lag issues. First up, we've got the towing mode. You can see there's no lag and more power is available the more you push down the pedal. This gives you more power to merge and overtake when you're towing. Next, we've got the sports mode. This program is more aggressive and makes the vehicle extremely responsive to small pedal movements. My personal favorite mode is the sports mode. It's a lot of fun while driving. It's great for overtaking, improves the safety, just gives an all-round enjoyable drive. Last, we got off-road and economy mode. This is very gradual throttle in the first part, and then gives you quick accessibility to more power the more you push down further on. This gradual start gives you better traction control in the sand or the loose and slippery off-road surfaces, delicate rock climbing. It also doubles as a fuel economy mode for those long distance highway driving. Turn on your thrust monkey, pick your mode and get out there.